Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam set out for Badr. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached Harratul Wabra, a place 4 miles away from Medina Munawwara, a man famous for bravery and courage came across the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When the companions of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw him, they became extremely happy. When he met him, he said to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have come so as to fight along with you and get a share of the property you will get. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, do you believe in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam? He said, no. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, go back. I do not seek the help of any polytheist. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam proceeded forward until when we reached Shajara. He again met the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and he made the same request which he had already made. And the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had given him the reply which he sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave him before and said, go back, I will never seek the help of a polytheist. He went back and then again came across the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam at Baida. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, do you believe in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam? He submitted, yes. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, now come on. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 4677.